Here are our headlines. Tony Gonzaga, masama nga ba ang loob sa pagtatambal ni Ann Curtis at Sam Milby sa Diyosa? Sa contract signing niya with Faces and Curves, ang bagong beauty and skincare company na ine-endorse niya, Tony expressed her feelings sa tuluyang paghihiwalay sa team-up nila ni Sam Milby at pagtatambal naman sa aktor at sa real-life girlfriend nitong si Ann Curtis para sa Diyosa.
Ganun naman talaga eh. Life is like that. With our fans, I'm really, really thankful with all the support they've showed us. Hindi na may ibig sabihin nun, tapos na yung sa amin ni Sam. Who knows in the future, malay mo magkatrabaho ulit kami. I'm happy for him sa bagong career sa bagong love team, bagong show. They've been a love team din naman ever since, so proven din na naman yung sa kanila.
Carlo Aquino at Maha Salvador, naging sila nga ba at ngayon hiwalay na? Ilang buwan ang usap-usapan sa apat na sulok ng showbiz ang pagkakamabutihan daw ni na Maha at Carlo. Pero itong nakarang buwan, kumalat ang balitang hiwalay na daw ang dalawa.
Kikita pa rin kami, kaya lang mas hindi na masyadong madalas. May text-text pa rin, kamustahan. Wala namang relasyon. Wala namang nangyaring relasyon. Naging okay lang kami sobra. Ngayon, hindi pa kami nagkikita. Ang tagal na.
But when Cinema News Alert Weekend Edition asked him kung nanligaw siya sa young actress, ito ang naging sagot ni Carlo.
Siguro, parang ganun. Parang ganun. Yun nga, nagkaroon siya ng maraming trabaho na wala nang time para makapagkita.
Hello everyone! Oras naman para makuha ninyo ang lahat ng showbiz balita kung saan kayo ang nauna. This is Cinema News Alert Weekend Edition.
That is right, mga kapamilya. Thank you so much for all your support. At dahil dyan, we promise to give you the freshest, the fastest, and the juiciest showbiz chismes. Kaya Bianca, yes mo naman.
Yes, Eri. At ang una nitong mga nakarang buwan ay tumutok tayong lahat sa isa sa pinakamalaking kaso nitong taon. At nitong linggo lang ay iniurong na ni Piolo Pascual at Sam Milby ang kaso nila laban kay Lolit Solis. From a malicious article to a full-blown libel case, at ngayon ang di inaasahang bigla ang pagtatapos ng kwento. Lolit Solis formal nang binawi ang kanyang pahayag na nakita raw niyang magkasama at sweet raw sa isang hotel sina Sam Milby at Piolo Pascual. Nagsimula last October 15, 2007 nang isulat ni Lolit Solis sa kanyang Filipino Star Ngayon column ang pagkakita raw niya kina Sam Milby at Piolo Pascual sa poolside ng Sofitel Hotel na magkasama at sweet raw sa isa't isa. Dahil sa malisyosong pahayag na ito, agad na humingi ng retraction ang panig na Sam at Piolo kay Lolit. But when Lolit remained firm with her statements last November, Piolo and Sam decided to file a 12 million peso libel suit against Lolit and the Filipino Star Ngayon editor Veronica Samyo. And now, after about 7 months, formal nang nagkaharap-harap sina Piolo, Sam at Lolit sa korte nang pumunta sila sa Branch 55 ng Manila Regional Trial Court. At dito, isang statement of retraction ang formal na pinirmahan at ipinasa ni Lolit.
There is no factual basis for my articles, which came out on October 15, 2007. I'm extremely sorry for dragging the name of Sam Milby and Piolo Pascual. Sam Piolo, I'm sorry for the hurt and embarrassment I caused.
With this, Piolo and Sam decided na formal na ring iurong ang kasong libel na isinampa nila laban kina Lolit at Veronica.
Well, that's what we asked for. We asked for a retraction. That's what she gave. So, in our part, ginawa na namin yung pinangako rin namin. As soon as we begin the retraction, realize ko lang na buti na lang hindi umabot sa hearing because parang nanay ko na dahil. It's like my mom. So, kung makikita ko sa hearing yan, every time na may hearing, siguro masakit sa puso.
Kasama rin daw sa naging mga agreements between the parties ang hindi na pagsasalita o pagsusulat ni Lolit tungkol sa kaso sa kanya mga programa o kolom. At sa kinahinatnang ito ng kaso, aminado sina Sam, Piolo at Lolit na nakahinga na sila ng maluwang ngayong natapos na rin ang gulo sa pagitan nila.
Basta apologetic ako, nagsusori ako, nagpapasalamat ako, naging understanding sila. Pinakita talaga nilang Christian sila. Siguro, na-realize nilang kawawa naman yung isang 60 years old at saka 61 years old na umaatim pa ng umaakit pa sa 4th floor ng walang elevator. Siguro na nila yun. Na-realize ko talagang mababait silang tao.
I'm more happy now, relieved that it's just over. Just since day one, all we've asked for is retraction. And so now that we have it, of course, it's very relieving. For now, let's focus first sa nangyaring pag-aayos and we'll see kung ano mangyayari.
Yes, and napabalitang engaged na raw ang kaibigan mong si Brian Angoncillo and Julie Ann Santos. Ano nga ba ang totoo dito? Watch this.
Judy Ann Santos and Ryan Agoncillo to tie the knot soon. This is the latest issue that's going around the corners of showbiz, and everyone's just going crazy waiting for the confirmation. Since Judy Ann and Ryan got together as a couple, marami na ang naghihintay if this will be the happy ever after para sa ating young superstar. But Judy Ann and Ryan dodged every question and always said that things will happen in their own time. But in the article that came out last Monday in the Philippine Daily Inquirer website, an announcement that everyone's been waiting for, Judy Ann Santos and Ryan Agoncillo are now officially engaged, according to the article. A source confirmed that Ryan had popped the question to Judy Ann last weekend when the two, along with their daughter Johan, were in Dumaguete for a short vacation and celebration for Judy Ann's 30th birthday. The source also revealed that aside from the coffee table book on the making of Judy Ann's movie Ploning, isang diamond ring from Hong Kong daw ang naging special birthday gift ni Ryan sa kanya. With Judy Ann and Ryan still keeping mum on this, sinubukan ng Cinema News Alert Weekend Edition to confirm this happy news for the couple and asked one of Judy Ann's closest showbiz friends, the megastar Sharon Cuneta. But maging si Mega iwas sa confirmation sa mga sagot niya.
What engagement ring? It was my sister's birthday the other day, May 11. I'm waiting for news from her. Nag-usap naman. Nothing. Happy birthday. I love her so much. I don't know anything until she tells me I know everything.
Pero isang makahulugang statement naman ang iniwan niya for the meantime.
She's out of town. Alam mo yung papunta pa lang siya sa airport, kausap ko siya. Kasi napakasaya niya. She is so beautiful, so it's very obvious that Ryan is good for her and takes care of her. And the guy is decent, intelligent, and takes such good care of Judy Ann. And she's so beautiful now, no? And I'm sure when I see her, she will be 100 times more beautiful.
Up next, we'll take a peek into an upcoming ABS-CBN show. Yan ang Ligaw, starring Roxanne Ginoo. That one, your turn.